Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roland F701 digital piano that you want to restore to the factory default settings on it with a hard reset. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this piano is not working right, it's not making proper sounds, it just doesn't seem to be doing what it's supposed to be doing, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just, you have a bunch of configurations and settings on it that you just want to get rid of all at once and you just want to get it back to the way it was when it was new, we can just go ahead and do that really simply. Now this is not going to wipe what's on the USB flash drive on it, but it will restore all the settings and everything in the configurations to their defaults. So it's real easy to do. If we want to do it, all we're going to do, come in here and press the settings button down here at the bottom left. And once we do that, we're going to come over here and we're going to turn the knob until we get to the factory reset option. Once we get to the factory reset option, we're going to go ahead and push this down part, push down on the knob, and then you'll get a little confirmation screen, and it will be pre-highlighted in no. So you'll just need to turn the knob again to yes, push the knob again to confirm it, and it will reset to its factory defaults.